क्या दूं गुरु दक्षिणा मन ही मन में सोचूं, चुका न पाऊं शरण कभी अगर जीवन भी अपना दे दूं. Namaste dear teachers and a very happy Teachers Day to all of you. Today we have gathered here to honor and celebrate you for being the most amazing people you are. And as a small token of appreciation, we, the students, have made small thank you videos for you to show our gratitude for your utmost guidance, patience and support. So I hope you enjoy watching these videos as much as we enjoyed making them.
Namaste, I am Argi Vasil from class 4B. I want to say thank you all my lovely teachers for your wisdom and kindness. Your guidance has shaped our future. Thank you for lightening the path of knowledge. We are grateful for all the lessons, both big and small. We love you all, my